Hello, we are here again for today's edition. I remain Mr. Christopher, your online maths teacher under the platform Dcn Maths Online. And please don't forget to share, comment, and follow. So we have a question before us today. The question says, find the radius and the circumference of the parallel of latitude which passes through latitude 60 degree north, full stop. If the radius of the earth is 6,400 kilometers, now let us now look at the way or see the way to solve this. Are we together? Let's go. First thing, write your solution. Then the question says find the radius. So we have to look for the radius R is unknown. And the circumference, which is C, also unknown, of the parallel of latitude, which passes through latitude 60 degrees, that is our angle. So our theta is given as 60 degrees. If the radius of the earth, then the radius of the earth also is given to be 6,400, that is our big R is 6,400 kilometers. Now, find the radius, yes, and the circumference. Then there is something that is missing, which is, though is a constant, which is pi. So we have to introduce our pi. Is 22 over 7. Either you write it as 22 over 7 or 3.142. How come about the 3.142? Is when you divide it 7 and 22, it will also give you 3.142. So now let us now look at the radius, calculate the radius. So the first thing you do is to bring out the formula, the radius of the earth, that is to calculate the radius along the parallel of latitude. We have small r is equals to big R cos theta. Now this is the formula, and some we use as R equals to big R cos alpha. So it's the same thing as theta. Now we have the radius, which is unknown. Our R is equals to the value of the big R is given to be 6,400, then multiplied by cos 60 degree. So our R is equals to 6,400 multiplied by cos 60. If you press cos 60, it will give you 0.5. And by the time you multiply them together, you have 6,400 multiplied by 0.5. 0.5 is half, that is 1 over 2. So half of 6,400 will give us 3,200 kilometers. This is the answer. Now, to calculate the circumference of the parallel of latitude, you should know the formula for circumference of a circle, which is 2 pi r. This will be your classwork. So the only thing I will help you to do is 2 is the constant, pi is given as 22 over 7, and then the value of r is getting, now we are getting the value of r to be 3,200. So what you need to do now is to equate the result we have into this formula and get the formula for and get your circumference. Remember, circumference is C is 2 pi r to get the circumference of a circle. So 2 is a constant multiplied by the value of pi that is given, which is 22 over 7, and the value of r we are gotten it, which is 3,200. So do it and put your result, whatever you get as your answer.